Are you thinking about selling a home, but you're worried you won't be able to find a replacement property? Well, that's a very understandable concern right now. It's your home. You've got a family to take care of, right? Well, I've got good news. There are solutions for selling your house and finding a replacement home, even with limited inventory like we have here in West Hills. Over the past couple of years, we've helped sellers just like you navigate through this market of low inventory, along with other issues or obstacles. You can sell your home to a buyer, contingent upon you finding a home of choice within a certain time. So this way you can secure a buyer and you don't have to sell your house if you don't find a home you want. This is great because there's so much less stress this way. You won't feel like you have to just choose a house that you don't absolutely love. And the offer you make on your replacement home will look stronger because you're already in escrow. This isn't the only strategy for sellers. The point is we've got solutions. We've just got to think outside the box. I wouldn't want you to do anything that I wouldn't do myself. Thankfully, my team and I have years of experience, so we know what to do and what not to do. We want selling to be fun, and we want you to enjoy buying without worry. There are many things to consider, questions we need to ask so that we cover all of our bases in protecting you and your most valued asset. So give me a call, even if you're just curious or want to strategize scenarios. I'm more than happy to help. I'm Chasity Lousteau, real estate broker and mortgage loan originator in West Hills, California. I give you the keys to unlock the mysteries of selling, buying, and financing your home so you can make your next move with confidence. Thanks for watching.